Yo, what's good? Welcome back to the vlog. Yo, Russell, say what's good.
What's up?
For y'all that are new to this vlog, this is my brother. We got a bunch of stuff today. The things that we bought for our hurricane journey.
We're about to go fishing during the hurricane.
We got lures, worms, I got a popping frog, I got a spinner bait, just to test out what's in my lake because I haven't been fishing in my lake for a long time. But we got everything that we needed for fishing. Hey mom, say hi to YouTube.
Oh my god, look at myself. I didn't even take a shower yet.
Hi. This is my aunt. Mom, we got a bunch of fishing stuff.
Oh yeah?
Oh, you're going to go fishing?
Yeah, in the backyard.
In the backyard?
Gotta give some love to the puppies. Hello. Manok, hello. Why? My brother's inside getting his rod ready. I'm gonna go ahead and try frog out first and see what reactions we get from the fish. So we didn't have any luck with that lake fishing. My backyard is not really the greatest, especially because right now it's very windy. We got number one over here.
Fucking Tide 954, we run it. Kodak Black. V6, don't call it inline 4. 4 cylinders is all I need, boy.
It's a 4 booster, right?
That's just crazy. That's just quick, dog.
Hey, I got 3 people in the car, so.
I was about to say, no, he did have 2 people.
Russell would have fucking kept like that with us, bro.
Exactly. No, I was confused for a second. I was like,
exactly. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to get your dirty shoes white again. This over here is Sam. Say hello to Alex.
Stop.
You mind demonstrating how we do that, Sam?
Oh, too easy. I got you.
Now let me see your shoes. White. White.
Where's the shoe at?
Right here.
There's the dirt.
That's the dirt.
Good bridge tape.
All right, y'all ready? Check this out. Let's go! Let's go, dude. First gap. First gap, bro. We getting back into skating for real?
For real, for real.